And we're good there. Well, first off, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, everybody. For wherever you're tuning in from, I hope you have a great Friday. Today's going to be a powerful day in the markets. I can feel it. I can feel it.
Got a taste of it earlier. Come on.
Go ahead. People are getting tastes this morning. We'll take it. We'll definitely take it. Your boy has been on the go. So me waiting the first 15 minutes today, I'm excited to be able to wait because, man, oh man, I've been running and gunning since this morning.
Holy smokes.
And it's only 9:20. That's the crazy part about it.
How much you made so far?
Me? Gee, was that for me or Steve?
Yeah, that's for you.
Oh, I haven't been trading. I've been running around acting like I own a couple businesses this morning. Yeah, I'm tired, boss. I'm tired. Gotta love it though. But we're here. Let me finish setting this up real quick. And then I'm gonna look at these charts here. And we'll just get on into it. Perfect.
Morning,
Morning.
You started trading already, huh, Duane?
No, I haven't traded at all.
Oh. That's what
He's been thinking about it though. I put a bug in his ear. He's pretending like he's playing it cool.
Yeah, I heard Steve helped you pass another account, sir.
Huh?
I heard Steve put you on how to pass an account.
Oh, yeah. Yes, he did. But yeah, I just didn't make the consistency. I went over it, the 2,500.
Yeah.
But how much? How much you said? I remember you said you was gonna text it to me.
Let me double check for you now. What's your amount on currently?
2503.
2503.
.60.
All right.
My consistency is at 53%.
Yeah, I may have done that wrong because that's not looking crazy. I'm like, you don't need to make no $6,000. Hold on here.
Big baller right here.
So you're going to need to put in like another 1,000.
Another 1,000 today?
1,001. But I'm going to double check my math here in a second because my math may not be mathing right now. So.
I mean, I'm over it. So, like with the consistency, should I just like jump in just like a good trade and then that one just...
No, because you're going to need to just continue to add a little bit more since you put so much in within the first 2 days. We just got to get that consistency down to the 50% or 40%. Yeah, I'll do it right here, actually. Good morning, everybody. For everyone tuning in here, welcome.
Duane does math, man. It's kind of like my wife.
Hey, I always double check my work. All right, like that's the one thing I will admit. I check my work.
She'll be like, it's like, she'll come up with some number. It's like, what? You add a zero in there? And it's like, it's just funny. I'm just teasing.
No, you're good.
Below the VWAP and below the EMA, 21. No news today.
Yeah, but no news Friday.
But it isn't on. Correct me. When is the next news day? Because there's a lot. I didn't catch the date, but it was like they had the farm report and everything. It was the whole enchilada.
Let me check for the news. Not trading my take profit right now. Texting too fast. All right, did it pop up? It has not popped up yet. For the news, so we have news on the 16th. Not all. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of news coming out at 8:30 on the 16th. Then one at 9:45. Then on the 18th, we got 8:30 news once again. And then on the 19th, we got news at 10. So the 16th, the 18th, and the 19th, we're going to have some good news. And that would be the rest of the news for the rest. Well, we would have one on the 24th as well at 8:30. And that's it for this year. After that, we'll have news in January.
Are you going to sing us Christmas carols when it gets closer to the holiday?
Possibly, gentlemen. If you want to ruin your day, I will gladly sing for y'all. Like, good morning, Brett. All right, let me jump on these charts here because I have not looked at them. I was acting like I owned a business this morning. I had to run around town with some of my managers quickly this morning. And then
setting up some new accounts.
We have a big event going on today.
Oh, okay.
For one of my clients. So we had to shuffle multiple patrol cars to the site.
Oh, okay.
So gotta love it.
Hey, my question to you is like, do your armed units, is anybody allowed to carry a PR-24 anymore or no?
A PR-24? Is that a handgun or a rifle?
That's actually a baton.
Oh, you threw me on my PR-24. I haven't. Some of my armed guards do have batons.
But the only ones I see these days are folded, not the PR-24. You know the.
Yeah, all my guys have the collapsible ones.
Yeah. Wow, something just jumped. We're getting a push down.
We are coming down here. We had a bear flag that, excuse me, that printed at 918 and 920. So cool to see. We're coming down to the overnight low. Overnight low down there at 532.50.
Okay,
we are below the VWAP. VWAP is currently resting up at 628.25. 628.25. Last night we had a great traders hangout. I was hanging out with my Canadian brother Brett and the rest of the folks, and we were just chilling last night. We were having fun, talking, just enjoying the time. You know what I'm saying? This is the best time to be alive in the trading industry because we're going into a new year. So we get to set new goals, new expectations for ourselves for 2026.
Big G and I were talking on the phone.
Ooh.
We were talking about, proclaiming 2026 is going to be the year because we're all coming in strong. And it's just like, man, this is it. Legacy wealth. And Big G's got it muted right now, but he knows we talk. We're
I'm here.
Oh, see, he's nodding, but see, it's not a video call, man. You got to see what.
What? My goal for today, I've already made good money this week, is to stay green a day. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to stay green on all my accounts today.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
If possible. You know what I'm saying? Beggars can't be choosers. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, my line's ready. For all the people on the YouTube streams tuning in from across the world, how's everyone feeling this morning? I rushed back. Market's open. I was getting ready to talk. Market's open, boys. Ding, 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 ding.
Ring a ding ding.
Look at that sell right there. But it's only the first like 20 seconds, so don't do anything crazy right now, people.
Order filled.
Listen, honestly, today is the first day this week that I'm like excited to wait the first 15 minutes.
You are so full of it.
No, I'm not full of it. It's because I literally was rushing this morning because I had to get back for you guys. I was telling my managers, like, boys, y'all gotta hurry up. I don't got time for all this.
The world, you know, the YouTube world and the Legacy Wealth Society family appreciates you very much. And you're gonna check on those charts that I showed you throughout the thing, even if it's on the slide, right?
No, I'm gonna check on it. I got them pulled up. I got one pulled up actually. Up here.
So, like the NQ had like a gnarly, bull flag. That last time I looked. I want to catch the bottom of that stab. Black hole.
The black hole. Oh man, oh man. What a time to be alive, gentlemen. Don't mind me, I'm just over here making sure everything's dialed in for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure we're dialed.
Hey, did you see, Duane, did you see off topic that cage that I showed you?
Yeah. Your neighbors definitely don't want to go over to your place. That's all I'm gonna say with that.
It's not my neighbors, man. It's like animals. I got some footage. I actually got some footage of that sucker running around. Just checking everything out, but they're very timid. So.
Oh, my bad. That wasn't for you. That wasn't for you.
But I immobilized the cage so it could go in and it wouldn't pop. And then so today be a safe zone, and then it'll be pop.
All right, I can focus now. Everybody. Steve, I was not ignoring you.
Oh, you were so full of it.
I am not full of it, sir. Good morning, BP. He's already winning for the day, people. He started before us, but that's okay. That's okay. He's up 1,200 for the day. This should be like, this is day 19 then. This is day 19. I'm counting for you, BP, so you don't have to. The things I do for y'all. You know what I'm saying? What can I say?
Count Dracula over here.
Wow. That water just hit. Not even going front.
Okay, so you gotta tell me the water saga. So you have any 5-gallon containers of the dope in your house?
So currently I'm using all my rations of 5-gallon jugs from Crystal Springs. They came yesterday and picked up the Zephyr Hills. I told them to take back and give me my money back because I refuse to drink Zephyr Hills. And now I'm looking to find another company that may have the Mountain Valley spring water in the glass jugs a little bit cheaper, because Primo Water, they were trying to charge me like $65, $70 per 5-gallon.
My goodness.
And then on top of that, they have a deposit of the 75 as well. I'm like, yeah, get out of here with that. Because I stock up, you know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah. You're not gonna like use it for like the season. You're gonna be like going through that stuff.
Well, my whole thing is I always get my first couple orders. I do big orders, so I'll get like, we normally go through every 2 weeks, like five 5-gallon jugs every 2 weeks.
You probably have an aquarium that. No.
So I would normally do like the first couple orders. I'll do 10 per order, so I have like extra reserves, because I like to have my water. That's all I drink. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not trying to pay
I drink a lot of
$140
water.
per 5-gallon jug on like 10 to 20 of them.
No, that's you see. I mean, the thing is, like, I drink a lot of water, but I'm not as bougie as you in terms of like having the Mountain Express.
Listen, I was good with my Crystal Springs. I was paying like maybe like $30 or something like that. Well, no, each time they would drop off water, we were paying about $100. So spending $200 a month on water, that's not crazy.
Well, I mean, crazy for some, but we love you. I mean, you know, it's like
That wasn't we love you.
I appreciate the love, Steve. Appreciate the love.
Like, if honestly, around here, if I told my wife that I spent $200 on water, she'd be like, "Where are all the bottles you're hiding?" Because she'd probably figure I went to the liquor store and stocked up on everything. And if I just said it was water, she'd be like, well, "Huh?
Huh?
But huh? $150 per with a $75 deposit? What are you drinking, like Dom Perignon?"
Good morning, Nelson. Good morning, Carmona. Good morning, gentlemen. Hopefully you guys are doing well this morning. Dave, thank you for tuning in. I know it's early for you right now. It's early for you, but appreciate you jumping on. Still waiting here. I'm waiting for the first 15 minutes.
Waiting, anticipating. Are you looking at that 326 chart?
I am not looking at it currently. No, sir.
I don't want to break your concentration.
No, not breaking my concentration. I'm just trying to woo-saw because I was rushing. And I always got to do like when I was rushing before stream to get on stream, I had to like take a quick little breath so that way I don't rush for the trades. Coming up to this VWAP here.
Order filled.
Not yet, sir. For all the new people in the back of the class, welcome. Today the goal is to win some money, but you never know. There's no guarantees. Just trust your system, trust your rules that you put in place for yourself. That's the easiest way to help yourself be successful. I'm just waiting for a flag here so I can start doodling on the chart. We had that bear flag print before market open here. Anybody have big plans for the weekend? What's everyone doing this weekend? Since I'm waiting for this 9:45.
Chilling like a villain.
I'm thinking about shooting another vlog this weekend. Well, tonight actually. It'll be like a Christmassy vlog. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go check out some lights tonight. Yeah, I may take you guys with us. Who knows? Who knows? I did drop a video last night as well, the last vlog from Mexico. So check that one out, boys. Steve, I'm sure you'll actually like it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I was working on my transitions for that one. You know what I'm saying? So just trying to elevate each video. You know what I'm saying?
That's it.
BP said he's going to be sending me $100 today because he made 1,200. Thank you, BP. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Tied into Duane.
Like and subscribe. That's a joke. That's a joke, people. Calm it down. Calm it down, people. We're patiently waiting. And just so you guys know, for the people on the Zoom call, Brett, he's my Canadian brother. He joined the community last night. Excited for him. He's a baller trader. So I'm excited. Excited to see how we all grow together for 2026. All right, are we going to build a bull flag up here? Is the market going to build a bull flag? I'm starting to doodle. It's officially 9:40 here. One of us. I don't know what that little move was, but be careful, boys. Be careful. Market's being crazy. Look at that pullback right there.
I was switching between charts just as that happened. I was like, wait, did I go under the wrong instrument? That was insane.
And that's one of those things that I hate, right? Because as a trader with our strategies, we like the consistency of what the market does, right? So when it does something sporadic like that, that's what we don't want, because that's dangerous right there.
Oh, there's a lot of people that got wiped out. Like, oh, I'll just kind of watch this. And
yep, stop losses were hit. Stop losses were hit there. Holy man, Brett says in the chat. No, that's not a holy man. That's a oh shit. All right. Thank God I'm waiting until 9:45. Thank you, baby Jesus. Waiting at 9:45. 9:45. Well, actually 9:46 technically, because that's when the full range is completed officially. But I'm honestly proud of myself, right? Because I told myself this week I have to wait the first 15 minutes. And I have not been breaking that rule. Like we like to say on these streams, it's all about discipline. And even the small things you have to win at. BP, make sure you donate to the cause. My cash app's in the description. No, I'm playing. BP's just over here crushing it. Gotta love it. I love seeing the community win. I love it. Yeah, G's trading, getting ready to be trading on a funded account as well. Like, we're just all killing it. For all the new people in here, just so you know, behind me, this is a green screen. I'm actually not in an office. I'm on a yacht right now, believe it or not.
You should get a green screen of like some like Zillow house and be like, I'm 18 and I live in this house and I.
Oh no, it's funny. Last night, Woody, one of the members of the community as well, from Tennessee actually, he laughed because one of my lights outside, because I have motion sensor lights on the outside of my pool screen. Because without the lights, it's black. I mean, like super black, dark. You can't see back there. So it turned on during the stream. And I got up and walked to the remote so I could turn it off. Yeah. And he started laughing. He's like, I see what you just did there. You know what I'm saying? Showing people the green screen. What's up, Aslam? Good morning, sir.
What's up, bro?
Another day in paradise. How you doing, man? All right, that was getting ready to be bad. This stream was getting ready to end by accident. I did not plug my laptop in. And I just looked at the battery percentage there, boys. You guys would have been seeing nothing. Alrighty. Look at this push down. BP is over here making money. I'm waiting. I got 1 more minute, boys. 1 more minute. I'm gonna be able to. I'm cleared to trade. Longest 15 minutes of my life, but it helped me reset since I was rushing this morning.
Respect to you. Respect to you because you've actually. All kidding aside, and there will be more later. It's like a goal, and you set it, and you did it.
Well, it's all about the little things, right? The little things add up to big things when it comes to trading. So, good morning, Dre. Good morning, sir. Mr. Dre Dollars in the chat. He's been crushing it this week. He's over $13,000 this week.
Put this on the tablet, right? So we'll see if I will.
Alrighty. Tonight we got the Traders Hangout once again. 9:30 p.m. to actually I may have to push that. It'll probably be 10 p.m. tonight because I'm gonna go look at some Christmas lights with the family. Of course, I'm gonna probably vlog it for you guys. Dre's still in his Bitcoin buy last night. More power to you, dude. I told you, I'm. Yes, sir.
D-Rock.
Yeah, can you hear me?
It's silent there for a little bit.
I went silent. Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can.
Oh, I don't know why I did it that way. That. All right, my bad. All right, so we're coming down to the overnight lows here. We got this pivot point down here as well.
And we're going to be at the low of the 15-minute range.
We got 524.75. That's the pivot point below us here.
Hear you, bro.
Unbelievable, Aslam. Unbelievable. It be your own people, gentlemen. It be your own people. All right, so we're coming down to the low of this 15-minute range right now. I'm not bullish. I'm not bearish. I'm just honestly waiting. All right, there's the pop out of that 15-minute range to the low side. We popped through that pivot point as well.
We're kind of retracing.
Yep. Waiting for that retrace back up into the 15-minute range. I personally want to see a flag, but if we don't get it, we may just have to go all max contracts all in all the time. You know what I'm saying?
How many contracts you trade, Duane? All of them.
All right, so we're coming down here. I got a target down here at, where's that target at? 483. 483 is my first target to the low side here. Are we going to stair step our way down? That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm thinking. But I personally, I want to see a flag.
Yeah, that wick on that 5-minute. There's some resistance to it coming down, so we need that flag.
Trying to play it safe. I want to go into the weekend green. But that's just me. I don't know about you guys, but I like staying green. BP, you post them in the discussion. So go to the discussion. You can post it right there for you, sir. BP's gonna post. He just made $15,000. Max contracts all in all the time with 84 indicators. That's all. That's a joke, people. He didn't go max contract. He's a good trader. So I gotta mess around sometimes.
Oh wait, you mean this isn't a serious broadcast all the time?
It's not gonna always be serious. Like, it's Friday. We gotta let loose. You know what I'm saying? I let my hair down today, if you guys notice. You know what I'm saying?
Don't let Moose hear about that. He'll show up with trimmers. Oh, whole number time.
All right, coming down to that whole number. We know how the market reacts on those whole numbers. For the new people in the back of the class here, you want to be careful around whole numbers because they tend to be very sporadic. Because we like to come down, touch them, bounce up, go back lower, and just consolidate, act weird around it. So it's always a good thing to wait till we get probably like 10 points or more away from the whole number to take a trade. Because we literally hit that 500 level, or almost hit that 500 level, and we bounce right back up.
That whole number, though, is like, maybe it'll be the resistance to build that flag so we can go. The 1, 2, and the 5 are all showing a bear thing.
Well, let's see if we get it. From your lips to God's ears, Steve. On the 1 minute, it's looking. Who knows? Who knows?
A big bear flag on that 2 minute. Hopefully, the structure is out.
The 1 minute's the same way, man. It's just a little bit noisier. 5 minutes saying hello. But do you have the patience for it to play out? I see he's already shaking his hand like so. He's ready.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn my mouse off for a second. Get my clicks in real quick.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is not the real mouse. I've seen the real mouse.
BP made 2.4 a day. You know, $2,400. You know what I'm saying? Not bad for a Friday. You know what I'm saying? Not bad for a Friday. We're back in that 15-minute range as well. Right now, I'm just holding. I'm waiting. This is probably the first time I've literally waited this long without taking a trade. Proud of myself.
It's reminding me of the good old days.
Dre, I'm looking for anything. I'm looking for anything, everything. We're looking for buys. We're looking for sells. We want it all, dude. Just want to watch this momentum, and I need my flag. I'm just honestly waiting for an A++ setup on a flag.
Hey guys, what do we don't do? Don't diddle in the middle.
We are pushing up closer and closer to the middle of the 15-minute range. And like you just heard Mr. G say, we do not diddle in the middle. Do not trade in the middle of the 15-minute range. You'll get chopped up. It's not worth it. I've done it plenty of times already for you, so you don't have to. Live through me and don't trade the middle of the 15-minute range. Dre's in a US 30 buy right now. Okay, sir. Make that some money. Make that some money.
That 15-minute, man's got a shooting star. That's a tight candle right there. Sheesh.
Let me start looking at some higher time frames here. See what we're trying to do.
Well, let's get the 15-minute candle. That's kind of like saying a lot right there.
Looking at the 15, that's a massive wick on that bad boy.
Yeah.
That's a crazy wick on the 15-minute candle.
It was like basically stacked. The shooting star style when I looked at it before.
Look at that wick on that 15. That's crazy.
Oh my God! Wow.
That's the 30. That's the 15 right there.
Yeah, look at the 30 is like a doji right now in action. And it's still a live candle.
Yep.
60.
That's on the 15, right?
Right. This one's on the 30.
Okay.
That's crazy.
Wow.
Awesome. I'm gonna check it out, BP. You know what I'm saying? I don't see a flag yet, so I gotta do something with my time, right? Because I'm trying not to overtrade these days.
Try it. Yeah, man. Same here, man. Same here.
You're kicking ass, G.
Awesome, dude.
With the help from my boy Steve.
Now Yeah, we're like double dynamite, man. They're like G and me.
BP posted in the community, posted his wins for today, 2 of 2. Gotta love it.
Oh, you posted it in the Mighty?
Yeah.
Mighty high.
Let's see. Where did he post it in? Discussion?
Yep.
Sure? Oh, yes, he did.
Oh, yes, he did.
Thomas. Ask Thomas, what's that purple box?
He could hear you, so I'm sure he'll tell you in the chat.
Why is it Thomas in the chat right now?
Because he likes chilling, dude.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Like some people, you know what I'm saying? Like it's good to get on, but some people they just want to chill. You know what I'm saying? That like so they can focus. Let's see if we build a bull flag up here. Well, I don't know. Right now the movement is. Well, look at that 5. Supply zone bearish breakup structure. That's the box. G.
Oh, that's the box, right? That box. Okay, gotcha.
This is crazy. This is probably, all jokes aside, the first time in probably like 6 months I have not taken a trade.
You sound like either a vegan or somebody that bought a new Tesla and it's claiming they saved the planet. It's like every second sentence, for Christ's sake.
No, like this is like I'm like honestly proud of myself right now.
But same thing with them. Oh, but did I mention that since I had the Tesla, I don't want to fill up at a gas station anymore? And the weather's nice, but about the Tesla, it's about as cool as the weather.
This is, I'm not really feeling that flag right there.
Well, listen, that shit was funnier than you're giving it credit for, Duane.
No, it was. I was doodling when you were telling a joke to people. All right, that's all that was. That's all that was.
Or you could say vegan too. Like since I'm a vegan,
I'm far from vegan. All I do is eat meat.
What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? I was plant-based.
Yeah, well, no, but there's a difference between plant-based and the people that are virtue signaling, saying they're vegan and claiming like, how dare you raise animals to kill? It's like, well, what do you think that broccoli came from? It wasn't growing wet, and you're chopping it up and eating it while it's alive, you monster.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Dave.
Hey, what's going on, my boy?
What's up?
Man, trying to get to this money.
Gary CP, you vegan?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Let me stop. I was for like the past 5 years.
Oh, okay.
And I ate.
BP, enjoy, sir. Enjoy. Have a great rest of your day, dude.
Hey, thank you, BP, for everything.
Hey guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I don't understand what I'm looking at. Do you guys have like a
That's how it was when I first started, bro.
Aslam, did you look at the video in the vault?
in the vault?
Yep, in the vault.
In the vault? No. What's that?
Yep. So in the community, there's a tab that says vault. Check that video out. That's breaking down the strategy. So just watch that video and that'll help you understand what's going on.
Yeah, that's like a great head start, like to kind of get you up to speed.
Is that in like the Mighty app or?
Yep. So when you log into the legacy, just click the tab that says the vault, and that will have my strategy video in there.
Okay.
And that'll definitely help you, because I understand when you first just look at this with nothing, like you're brand spanking new, you're like, what am I looking at? You know what I'm saying? Like, I definitely understand that feeling. That's why we have that video in the vault, to help everybody get up to speed.
All right, so I'll take a look at it after this video post.
Yeah. Alrighty, so
We're back below.
did we just looking at this? Is this trying to do a big old bear flag? I was looking for a bull.
According to scientists, 78% of people are at a coma. They don't know it. The brain is playing tricks on them.
All right, we're back down here at this pivot point.
That was Moose.
No.
I said for a quick second, I was like, Moose in here?
Alrighty, let me put this line down here. Let's see if we try going back down to that 500 level.
Yeah, 'cause that was like, it hit a brick wall right there.
Yep.
It's at 507 is where I have it on my horizontal line. Just where those two candles that stopped. I mean, the wicks went below, but the candles stopped there.
Tapping that pivot point once again.
Tapping the pivot.
Want to get through that pivot point. I'll be targeting that 500 level. Let's see if we pop up slightly. They didn't give me the follow through right there. Come on, Betsy. Take me lower, baby. Take me lower. All right, 330 on that trade right there. Not complaining. My music just stopped. I need my music. Let's get some music going here. So first trade of the day, 330. Still going lower. I'm just going to rotate to the next account. And we keep it moving, gentlemen. We just keep it moving. There is no rush to this game. No rush to this game. And let me hurry up because the market's still moving here.
Question.
Answer.
Okay, so let's just say, right? Let's say if I do make over like 1,300, but I'll be over that 2,500. Would it add that to the funding?
No, so they're not going to add anything for the funding on that account. The whole thing is, right, you just have to get that consistency down so you can activate to get it funded. All right, we're coming down to this first target here. We came close. 483 was my first target. We came down 487.75. Let me get ready for another trade here. Or actually, I'll wait. I'm gonna wait here. Let's tap that 483 first, and then I want to see how we react off of that level. You know, I'm trying to play it smart. All right, there we go. There we go. Through that 483. Like this is when a lot of people get excited just to go short, but patience. You do not want to get caught in the quick little pop-up. But if this thing wants a waterfall, we'll take that too, right? Huh? Oh. Alrighty. And this is a little pop-up that I did not want to get caught in. Try to go short.
We got a flag on the 1 minute Foreman.
Flag on the 1 minute Foreman. Let me pull it up.
Let's see it. Oh, a bear flag.
Yep.
Yeah. I saw not Dre's in here, Brett. Dre's in here. He's in the chat this morning. He's on the other stream, but he's in here. He watches it like the standard way, not the vertical. Because yes, we stream every way, up, down, all around. So you guys can get what you guys need. You know what I'm saying?
It's a shame that the two formats can't just be like one group, so you could have like those people could be talking to each other.
That would be cool. That would actually be cool.
That's like, you know, some of the people have the same things going on. You might get confirmation on that 2 minute, and then the 5 minute if it behaves.
All right, we're sorry to come back down here. Selling pressure, stepping in. Brett, he's still in that trade from last night, by the way, too. Or he closed out this morning. Let me double check what he said. Nope, he's still in that trade from last night. All right, just made new lows again. So right now, my target, I'm getting ready to target 437. 437 is the next target for me. Let's see how this momentum reacts here. The Phenom, what's up, dude? Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're having a good Friday.
I'm not Catholic, but thank you. All right, what in the world? Come on, give us a flag. Duane, dear man, the flag.
Oh, I see Duane in it.
Ah, unbelievable. I'm walking away.
What happened?
I'm walking away. Not a green screen back here, by the way, either, just so you know.
What
I
happened?
got that slippage from yesterday. I closed at 4 something. Only got 370. And look at that. There's the second target that we were targeting. But hey, up over close to $700 right now. I've only been trading literally for like 10 minutes. I did not trade for the first 30 minutes pretty much of today's market. So let's rotate to the next account.
What's the next target?
Give me 1 second while I rotate. And this thing's waterfalling, boys. This thing is waterfalling.
Yes, I did. I'm in it right now.
G's in it. G is in it. Makes your smonnies. Make your smonnies a day.
Okay, I took that.
Third target right now is down there 392. So, but remember, we got that whole number at the 400. So be careful, please, people. This is not financial advice. I'm just a random YouTube guy trading live with you guys. That's it. This is not advice whatsoever. I got to put that disclaimer in there, you know what I'm saying? So I can stay compliant. All right, let's see if we get another bear flag. I want to see a bear flag here. Brett with the yo. What's up, dude? What's the yo for?
Steve, you made right? Steve.
Yeah, I'm green.
Okay. Same here.
We all green, baby. Legacy life, legacy life, legacy wealth. We're always green for the most part. For the most part, we do have some bad days sometimes. I'm the first one to tell you. If I break my rule, right, and you see this hand, if you see this left hand smack that wall and hold on for dear life, just know I'm in crazy drawdown and I'm scared for my life. When the hand goes on the wall, that's when I'm trying to hold myself in the trade that I shouldn't be in. All right, so we're pushing up here. All right. Don't get mad, right? I'm going to run. I need some more water. I finished this. You know what I'm saying? I need more water. So I'm going to run.
5-gallon bucket and just bring it upstairs.
I'm actually, what I'm thinking about doing actually up here. Well,
Sparklet.
I'll tell you guys after, but I'll tell you now before I run downstairs real quick while this bear flag's trying to print. I want to put like a mini fridge up here, you know, with sparkling waters in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, just saying. So I could like literally take a trade. Be like, oh man, that was amazing. Get up, walk to the little mini fridge, pull out an ice cold sparkling water for my drink. I feel like that would be nice. Like, I want to run downstairs right now and fill my cup here, but this bear flag is looking like he's trying to pay us again. So maybe I'll just hold off for an extra couple seconds, just in case. You know what I'm saying? If the market wants to keep paying us, we gotta just take it, right?
Take it.
Take it. Take it. 540 for the day. Bills away.
All right. This is playing. Let me pull up on my phone so I could still monitor the charts here. And I'm gonna go fill my cup up. Steve, G, you guys take it away while I go get this water.
We'll take it away now.
Take it away now.
Duane, going to get the water. You gotta get one of those old school water coolers there with a 5-gallon thing that just sits on it. Come on. It's fine. Come on. Are we going lower, G?
Maybe. Yep.
We're almost at the box, man.
I know. That bottom, right?
Yeah, I'm like looking. 81. Getting there. Come on, Bessie. Do something. Oh, that 5-minute could close in a nice, beautiful bear flag. Will it do it for us? See that, G? The 5-minute?
Mm-hmm. It's going down. Oh, it's going down.
Come on. 26 seconds to paradise. I'm ready to get paid.
Woo! And we're back. We're back. We're live, baby. Alrighty, so still, I came up with perfect timing because once we get through the second target here, I'll probably take another short.
Okay.
What is the second target, man?
Well, we just passed through it once again. We already hit it, the 437. We do have a lot of selling pressure right now. But I do not like these wicks, to be honest with you. Currently on this 2 minute.
If you don't like them, I don't like them.
Sure words were never spoken back then.
Like,
He doesn't like it, I don't like it.
I want to take it short once we clear the wick.
Hey, Duane, we're patient enough to wait for that. So,
100%. There's no rush, people. That's why people fail at trading, because they're trying to rush. And what I realize is, why rush when this honestly doesn't take that long to do? Like, we're literally clicking buttons here. There we go.
uh-oh.
It's gonna touch that low.
What do we know about the flags, gentlemen? They always repeat themselves. So if you don't catch the first one, catch the second one. Don't catch the second one, catch the third one. It's literally that simple. We did not have the full follow through. So right now, we got, where's my mouse at? Oh God. Oh Nelly. I'm feeling like jacked on the juice today. Not even going front. Not going front today, boys. I'm feeling jacked on the juice.
I didn't have any coffee this morning because sometimes I like to try to detox from it. Which seemed like a good idea at the time, but now I could use some.
So we keep coming down here and bouncing.
At which one? At the...
I just put the green little line. We keep bouncing right there.
Right there, right? Okay.
Yeah, so I want to see us actually get through with some like follow through. And honestly, for me, I may wait till we get through that 400 level. Because we literally, yeah. I put the green line on the chart. We already know the market doesn't like when I draw on the charts.
Hey, Steve.
Yeah.
See that 400 level that Duane just said, right? That's where the box ends.
Yeah, it's right in that area. Yeah.
Yeah, that 25,400. 25,400 level. But
I'm watching. I'm waiting.
I don't know. Listen, if it breaks, man, it may go up. It may go back up.
Yeah, if the Bears don't have momentum right here, we may get a slight reversal.
Yes. If the momentum, yeah. Within these
Just looking at these wicks. Just looking at these wicks. Patience, people. That's the hardest part about trading. You gotta like woo-saw yourself not to get into a trade prematurely. All righty, we're still waiting here. We're still holding. We're still waiting. We're waiting for another opportunity to rob the bank. I'm trying to rob the bank right now. It's a Friday.
Look at the selling pressure on that 2-minute wick.
Yeah, I see the selling pressure. I'm just.
Those candlesticks are so tight. There's a lot on both sides.
Oh.
On 1 minute, man, it's the same.
Yeah, right now this is a standstill. We're just waiting here.
Well, if you want to look at something, I sent you what a PR24 is.
You sitting it.
I texted it to you.
Okay.
I texted it to G too because he heard me. So big G. I know he knows what it is.
Yeah, that's a old school nightstick right there. That looks like it can tell some stories, Steve. Looks like some kneecaps I see on that
Hey, man,
smudge right there.
That's what I used to carry.
Oh damn. Well, back. Let me see. I still ain't see it. Hold on. I didn't get it yet. Stuck up.
All right, we're consolidating right now. We're consolidating, so just wait for the move. There's not rushing it. Not rushing it.
Those wrinkle bars look like a mountain pass in an old video game.
I honestly want to get below the green line on the chart, just so that way I know we're getting through all like the resistance areas.
Is that like at 410 or something like that?
Yeah.
In that range?
Well, the 410, that's the current low.
Yeah, but
But
I can't see where you drew the line exactly.
all right, just pass through the green line. There we go. Coming down to the 400 level. There's just a lot of resistance I feel up in this area right now.
Yeah.
All right, there's the 400 tap.
It's gonna shoot up. Watch.
Our third target's at 392.
Okay.
392.25 is our third target for the day. Yeah, I'm just not a big fan of this area right now, being real. But last night I was talking like, if we drop too low, we're going to try targeting the 25,000 even.
Yeah, that mega number will pull.
Yep. So we're still standing strong on this green line here.
Well, you can see the buying pressure as soon as it even gets in that area, it just like buys it right back up.
Tonight, Traders Hangout, I may have to push it back till 10 o'clock. If I'm not back in time, we'll push it back till 10. But we're trying to do the lights out. I'm trying to do it early so I could get on stream with you guys on time. But I may push it till 10 p.m. tonight. And we'll probably stream for a solid 2 hours like we've been doing. And then directly after the stream today, we're going to have about a 10-minute intermission for the legacy. And then we're going to jump directly into that training.
Yes. The intermission is so Duane can go dancing.
Pretty much.
Like, I've had enough of Steve. I need a break. But then in 10 minutes, okay, he's back. He's back. Can you remove that line so we can take a trade?
I'm not removing the line because
Scoundrel, you rapscallion.
not trying to hold your trades up. I'm just trying to hold my own trades up right now. Okay? It's not you, it's me, Joe. Yeah, honestly, we got to get below the 400 level for me to want to take a short because we just got too much going on in this small area right here. All right, there we go. We're through that 400. There's that third target tap. Jesus. Just hit the yesterday's low as well.
And heading back up.
So we may start. If we start going down, let's see where we're going. Oh boy, let me come back over this chart. I was trying to see where we're going, but for target 346, for target 346.50, 346.50. We're getting away from that 400 level. We had a small bear flag on this 2 minute. I just didn't personally like it because we had a lot of resistance in that area. So now for me, I'm going to honestly just hold for another bear flag here. Because it's going to repeat. You know what I'm saying? That's the best part about this. It's going to repeat. So hopefully we get a bear flag in this direction. If not, I may take a scalp using the momentum here. But trying to have A++ setups today. I want to hit a G for the day, but I'm also not going to push either.
So you going to the gym today?
I'm going to try to.
Well, I don't need it.
Come on, Betsy. A little bit more.
Come on.
I closed out. We started consolidating right here. I feel like we're getting ready to build a bear flag. So I closed out. Quick 110 right there. We're just clicking buttons today, gentlemen. We're just clicking buttons. And like I said, glad I closed out. I did not like how the raincoats were moving. So I knew we were getting ready to start pushing up for the bear flag. And I do not want to be in drawdown. So I will take my 110 and come back on Monday and add more to this account. Let's see. Trying to figure out which account should I trade next. I'll trade that one.
I have a heat mat in my tortoise den, and he pushed it out from under him. He also has a heat lamp. So I had to like take the lid off the thing and pick him up. And you know how big he is, so I lifted weights today.
All right, so we just built a small little bear flag. I would have liked more structure, to be real. But we did just build a small bear flag right there. So if we keep coming down, we're going to take another trade here. We got that 4 target right below us here. And it's coming up pretty quick, 346.25. The market wants it. Is the market going to do it? I feel like it is. All right, straight through that 4 target. Boy, oh boy, we're waterfalling today. Gotta love it. $280 on that trade. And we're just rolling, boys. Who said trading's hard? Because if they said it trading's hard, they're not doing it right. This is the easiest thing anybody can do. It does not take a rocket scientist. And with my Renko bars, right, it's telling you what direction the market is trying to move in. Like, it's literally a hack. Let me see what's the next account I'll rotate to. Alrighty. I'll rotate to that account. And just for the people in the back of the class, I have multiple accounts and I rotate through all of them throughout my trading sessions. And that's how I'm able to get multiple payouts because I have multiple accounts. And you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. All right, so we went through the 5th target as well. Then we instantly started pushing up slightly. I want to see another bear flag. Even if it's a small bear flag, I want to see another bear flag because bear flags are letting us know what, people? That the market is going to be going down. And if it's a bull flag, that's letting us know the market's getting ready to go up. And we're using the Renko bars, these bad boys right here, for the confirmation that the market is going in the correct direction. That's all this is. If you can tell when something's going up and when something's going down, you can trade. Let me actually, let's see what we're looking like here. Let me get my handy dandy calculator out real quick. Add up, see what's my total at so far for the day.
Hey, what is our next low if we keep searching?
Our next low, I'll be able to take a look. Oh, I did that wrong. Me and calculators, you know what I'm saying? The calculator is always wrong. Okay, so
we look like we got some flags brewing. I'm sorry to interrupt, sir.
Nope, you're good. I want to see a flag print.
Well, it's about to.
And we would have to come down. And what happened, right? So we did push through the 300 level, but we bounced right back up because of that whole number. Those whole numbers like that, the market always reacts on them. Always. So whenever they're coming, you gotta pay attention. Sometimes I'll forget to, but thankfully I have the community and they'll call it out because those whole numbers are serious, people. You have to know where they are when you're in a trade because you do not want to get stopped out because you took a trade and then you hit the whole number and then it bounces right back up on you because that's what we just did here. But let's see if this is going to be our bear flag because so far for the day, we've had 1, 2, 3 bear flags on the 5 minute. Let's look at, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've had 6 bear flags on the 2 minute chart. Listen, people, this is not rocket science. Up for the day for myself, I'm up just almost $1,100 for the day. I'm at like 1090, so pretty much $1,100. I'm gonna take one more trade on this account. This is a 150K account with Tradeify. And we're just waiting, people. We're just waiting. There's no rush. I say this every day. What else can we do to make $1,000 in less than like 30 minutes of actually trading, or just over 30 minutes? Because I did not take a trade till pretty much 10 o'clock this morning. There's a whole lot harder ways to make $1,000. I'll tell you that right now. Brett, Dre, how you guys feeling? You guys up? You down? You all around? What's going on, gentlemen? Talk to your boy. That's looking like almost like a textbook bear flag print on the 2 minute.
Man, G is ready for it too. Listen, I heard him say, that means his hand is on the trigger.
Oh, Nelly. I may have to take another one here. Nope. Clicking to me too fast. I'm too fast, gentlemen. The market's not fast enough for me.
I might have to change the color of my line, gentlemen.
Copy, Brett. Do you just have to renew your subscription with TradingView? Because I know right now is the time when everything's like renewing all that stuff for a lot of people. Okay. Well, even though you have a subscription with Take Profit, right? You also have to have your just the standard directly through TradingView. You have to have one with them as well, if that's how you're trading with them. Because I didn't know Take Profit gives you TradingView for free. Look at that bear flag, boys. Your boy's feeling kind of itchy. Well, sorry to hear that about the Bitcoin one, dude. Bear flags and bull flags, brother. Trust me, it'll change your life. But Dre, just so everyone else knows, Dre's a wild man. I call him my wild man in the group because he'll hold those bad boys till the very next morning, till like 2 months from now, he could be holding. That ain't me. I'm in and out. I view this as robbing the bank, people. When you rob a bank, do you sit around and wait for the cops to show up? Definitely not. The whole thing is hit your lick and get out. And that's what we're doing these markets the way I trade. I hit my lick, I get out, and I come back the next day with a different mask so they don't know it's me again. And that's it. That's it. Copy. Okay. Yeah, that's weird. You submitted a ticket? And gentlemen, just so you guys know, these yellow lines, these lines that you put on the charts for yourselves will save you from yourself. Because I personally told myself, right? I'm not going to take a short because I see a potential bear flag, right? But I'm not going to take the short until we break through the yellow line with momentum. We did not break through that yellow line, so I did not take a short, even though I wanted to take a short, even though I was ready to click the button, click. I was ready, but I did not, because if we don't break the line, I'm not going. And even when we do break the line, there has to be enough follow through. So if I would try going short early, I'd be in drawdown right now. And none of us are trying to be in drawdown. Just saying, people.
We don't want that.
We don't want that. We don't want that. Well, this market is Mirandering here. Let me see what the volume is looking like on the when we roll over. Not much going on right now, I'll tell you that. Okay. Yeah, you definitely want that fixed, because you don't want to be trading when it's lagging. That's a recipe for disaster. But I will say, funny story, right? I was trading on Tradeovate through Tradeify, and like something happened where the market on Tradeovate was like lagging, I mean crazy behind, right? So if you're looking at your trading view, you see where the market's at before Tradeovate saw it. So it's a little hack. I passed like a couple accounts doing it. It was only for like an hour, 2 hours during one trading session back in the day. And I traded because I'm like, okay, if this is down here, I'm just going to go in. Nope, since I already know where the market's going to go, since the Tradeovate was lagging, past 2 accounts with using the lag to my advantage. Looks like we're building some structure here. We're building structure on this flag. And for everyone's like, oh, Duane, where's the flag? Whoever that was in the back of the class, I got you. A bear flag is an upside down flag. That's all it is. It is an upside down flag. Yeah, that is scary, dude. That is scary. But when it was lagging for me, it was like a positive thing because the trading view was accurate. Trade was behind. So you could just jump in since you see where the price is going on trading view. Since you know the trade has to get there as well eventually. So that was the little finesse I did to pass the account back in the day when it was lagging on me. The trade was lagging. Still waiting here. We're building structure for this flag. We do have some wicks on the 5 minute as well. So that's where we just got to be trusting our system for it to play out. Because if it doesn't play out, right? If we don't break through the yellow line with momentum, we're not taking a short. We're coming closer and closer to that yellow line. For all the people in the back of the class, hopefully you're having a great Friday. If you're in the chats, say what's up. Let's interact. Tonight, we're going to have the traders hang out most likely at 10 o'clock tonight. Because I'm going to see some Christmas lights tonight. But we'll see what time we jump on tonight. But we are jumping on. The traders hangouts this week have been absolutely beasting. Like last night alone, we did over like 36 watch time hours during the stream. Just bananas, people. Yes, I said bananas. It's okay. Accept it. Millionaire, we're chilling, brother. We're chilling. Just trying to make $1 or $2 or 1,000. You never know. All right, we got that more buying wicks here on the 5.
That's
so
insane.
If we start pushing up,
we start going the other way. Are we just looking for that, searching for that whole number and then that EMA and the 408?
I would honestly, if we start pushing up, I'll target that whole number. So I'll target that 400. Just waiting to see what we get here. Sorry the market is not going crazy for us today, but sometimes it moves slow like this. And we watch paint dry. It is what it is. Let's flip to some higher time frame. See what we got going on. Yep. Nothing really due yet. Just patiently waiting. We're waiting, anticipating to rob this market here.
I have a strange question for you to kind of, if somebody's trading long, can they have that trade open in like one chart and then trade other things at the same time so their computer's not like tied up? If you know what I mean?
Yeah, technically no. Like if you have multiple accounts, like technically you could, but you had to enter your trade, rotate to the other account, then enter a trade into that one as well. But you can't go in on all the trades at the same time, long or short.
I was just curious.
Like you had to rotate to each account.
The world's made of money. Give me some. I like when it's just quiet when I do something like that. Like, sheesh.
Ah, I tried sniping it. Lost $20 there. That's crazy. Because I was, that's so stupid. It lagged right there on me, but it is what it is. Still up over a G for the day, so I'll clean it up. It's only $20, but I saw a little opportunity to snipe. I took the snipe. I closed out at 120. Ended up red 20. That's crazy. What just happened?
Your charts are not moving on the thing.
Yep, they just froze. Uh-oh. What in the world? Thank God I'm not in a trade right now, because that would be bad. Let me disconnect here and reconnect. What is going on here? I just disconnected on Ninja. That bro, it is, man. I closed out, but lost $20. I'm not trying to lose $20. Okay, so my screens are loading here. That was weird. I did not like how it froze like that on my chart. Yeah, definitely not good. Like, you don't want to be in a trade and then your computer freezes.
No, that's things that nightmares are made of.
Yeah, I think that's every trader's like biggest fear, going into the trade and then your computer glitches or you lose internet and you have no way of closing your trade. All right, so that 21 EMA is sitting right above us. 401.50. Oh no, it's actually 450. 450 for the EMA. All right, cleaned up that 20, added 150 green, so we're good. We're good. We're green in all the accounts today. So I'm chilling. We're coming up to 11 o'clock here. I'm just gonna vibe with you guys. Dre, I'm just trying to get like you, brother. Like, that's it, dude. I'm trying to make money like you. That's it. I'm just using the strategy. That's all this is. I'm not doing something different. I'm doing what works. I'm just using the strategy. That's it. I saw the momentum going to the upside, right? I saw that we had the 21 EMA above us. The 21, the pivot, the VWAP, whole numbers. All of those are magnets. They're pulling the price when we're getting closer and closer to them. So, as an educated guess, right? If it's trying to pull the price, right? It doesn't mean we're always going to get there, but I want to say 80% of the time we touch it. You know what I'm saying? Like, we make trading hard, gentlemen. We make trading hard. We break our own rules. We lose discipline on our rules, and then we wonder why it's not working. Like, right now, we're still potentially building out this big old flag here. Oh, you guys can't see the 5 minute. Let me slide that over. That happens to me at work all the time. Which one? It lagging on you or what? I still feel like this may be a big old bear flag because we got those selling wicks, man. We have been pushing up, but we got those wicks. We got those wicks up here right now. What? No. No way. Hold up. Hold the phone. And no. No. Mr. Carmona, sir. You may be at work. I'm not sure what you're doing right now. I'm just seeing what you put in the chat on the call here. 3K, bro? 3K, bro?
What?
What?
Short. I was just trying to figure things out, and I said, okay, I like this.
That boy, that makes me so happy, dude. That makes me so happy. So for people in the back of the class, Mr. Carmona, he just joined the community. He's been working. He's getting active now. He's trying to make 2026 the best year yet. He got his first eval. Today's his first day trading, gentlemen. He watched the video in the vault. He's learning as we go. He made 3K a day.
Nice.
Yeah, good job, Carmona. Good.
I can't make this up, people. This is not difficult. We make it difficult.
Appreciate y'all. What works is me just being in here listening to y'all, and then going off of my intuition, off of the strategy that Duane posted.
That's it. That's everything. Because everybody's got to personalize it. You know what I'm saying? You can't just like. It's not like 2 + 2 = 4. You got to like find what works for you and then run it.
Yep. Because at the end of the day, trading is extremely personal. Because guess what? You're the only person clicking the button. So it's up to you. Like sometimes, like, could I be wrong? 100%. I've taken bad trades. I take bad trades. And I'm always going to take bad trades. Sometimes. But majority of the time, when I'm following my rules, having the correct discipline, I'm taking the right trades. No one's batting 100% at trading. Everyone has losing trades and some losing days. But in order to win at this, right? In order to win at trading, the whole goal is to win more than you lose. Like, so for me personally, right? I average between 82 and 90% win rate. That's like my average for trading. So if I take a losing trade, do I get mad? Do I like, oh, trading's no, because I'm not 100% win rate. So I have to lose in order to win sometimes. But the strategy is so freaking simple. If you just apply it, it just works. It doesn't matter if you're trading futures, Forex, stocks, crypto. It don't matter what you trade in. This simply works. My boy just made 3K first day in the markets, bro. First day in the markets. Like, you don't understand what that does for me. Like, seeing you win like that off the strategy just, like, gives me a higher level of confidence that what I put together is actually amazing. You know what I'm saying? Like, love it. Love it. Love it. That just made my entire day right there. And I made $1,000 myself today in funded accounts. But him making his 3K makes me more happy than the 1,000 I made. Look at this bear flag. I've been saying, people. I see a big old bear flag printing. And we try and come on down. I'm not even going to trade anymore because I'm up for the day. It's Friday. I'm not trying to risk it for the biscuit. Like, how can I make this bigger? There we go. Oh, what was that? The file could not be opened. Evals on him, Brett says. 10. I'm just gonna call you 10. Not gonna try to say your entire name. Like, it is what it is, dude. I trade with Tradeify and Take Profit Trader. I like those two firms because they got extremely fast payouts. And I really like Tradeify's back office, being real. It's probably the cleanest in the prop firm space. I've yet to find a prop firm with a better back office. And for me, right, like, you gotta look at this as business. Like, you go into the market, you're clocking in for your own business because you're generating money for yourself. You want to have the best thing across the board. So you want to have the best back office because guess what? You're going to look at your back office every single day. So if there's a problem with a horrible back office, I won't even use them because I don't want to even do that to myself. If you want a Tradeify account, make sure you use code LWS for Legacy Wealth Society. I am an affiliate. We are an affiliate with Tradeify. We're currently working on becoming an affiliate with Take Profit Trader as well. But make sure you use the LWS code and that will get you the best rates that they got going on. We had another bear flag print here on the 2-minute. And people, I've been preaching this all day. Look at that big old bear flag printing. I'm not guessing, people. We're literally trading the flags and momentum. Can someone tell me, is that momentum? Is that a big old waterfall coming down to this pivot point? Bro, I'm just sitting back at this point. If y'all don't believe me, you on the wrong stream, people. If you want to win, welcome. You're at the right place. I am not gatekeeping anything. Well, there we go. Come up on 11 o'clock here as well.
Did you have a set time that we're going to get back together, the Legacy family?
As soon as we end this stream, as soon as we end it, we'll restart in 10 minutes after.
Okay, yeah. Because I just want to know, because I might run outside and take care of, I'm trapping right now. So I might have to do that, but I'll be outside, but I'll come back in.
Look at this big old waterfall. If you don't believe in bear flags and bull flags, you're on the wrong stream, people. I'm sorry. They simply just work and pay. Because let's see here. Like, mind you, I'm not trading anymore because I've already made my money for the day. It's all about base hits. Base hits gets the payouts.
You said that Duane and I know, that everybody knows, is going to see if this one's going to play out because his teeth are starting to bleed.
Jesus. So say I was trading, right? Say I took that trade. That'd been $2,700. Just right there. $2,700 off the flag and the momentum. This is not hard. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. I'm done. Like, this has been amazing.
This is like looking like A++++, Duane.
What, another bear flag?
It looks like it wants to start building another bear flag. It does look like it wants another bear flag, but whatever the market wants to do is going to do. You feel me?
We're going from the storefront to the forefront.
So if you guys have not liked this stream, make sure you're liking the streams. Make sure you're subscribing. This channel has been blowing up. We're pushing numbers as if we have like close to like 7,000 subscribers. And we're going to probably break this week in 500. That's crazy to say. But you want to know why we're pushing numbers like that, gentlemen? It's because we're not gatekeeping. We're actually getting people real results. Like, that's what this is about, people. Actually winning that trading so you can enjoy your life and live free. Like, it's not about flashy cars, or rented Ferraris. You know what I'm saying? It's about being able to do what you want, when you want, whenever you want. And that's it. That's it.
That song like has a glitch on it. Like, what the hell was that beat?
The song has a glitch?
Well, no, it's just kind of like it had the breakdown on it. It's strange. It's kind of like whatever. I didn't write it. It's like, ooh.
10, I got you, dude. I got you. Looking like another bear flag printing. Looking like another bear flag printing, people. And the closer and closer we keep dropping to 25,000, that 25,000 number is going to get hit. Just saying. Oh, I was like, where's my mouse? It's on the other screen. Put another one on it. Best advice for a brand new trader, only trading for 3 weeks. Well, sir, welcome to the party. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the party. Best advice for you to learn is, one, honor your rules. Before strategies, everything like that, if you can't respect yourself, you're not going to win that trading. That's just being real. 2, since you're 3 weeks in, if you want to learn how to trade skillfully, sharply, and actually make real money from the markets, click the link in the description. Join the Legacy Wealth Society. That's my private trading community. Click the founders group. That will get you in completely free. Completely free. So you can start winning from like immediately. Because this is not rocket science. So if you want to win, join the community. It's free. And look at that bear flag paying, boys. Bear flag's paying. Once again, we went through that 200 level. And here we go. And this is making me want to trade. But I ain't going to. Like, it's so tempting. Let me see if I got any accounts I haven't traded yet today. I think I had like one. Let me double check. Trade that one, trade that one, trade that one. All right. Just in case. What's that account number? If you want easy and simple, trading bear flags, bull flags with momentum will save you so much time. Trust me. Well, it's actually 11:05. I think this is a good time for me to jump off here. Only because for the Legacy Wealth Society, we're getting ready to have a training 10 minutes after we end this stream.
You're stressing me out with that, Duane. Give me a hard time now. Stuck up.
Okay. We'll do the training right at 11:30.
Okay, 11:30. All right. And then we'll just do the normal link, right?
Yep, normal link for you guys.
Okay. All right. Coolness. G.
All right, everybody for Legacy. I'll see you guys at 11:30. 11:30 on the link for the training. We're gonna have some fun with that since the market's actually moving, which will be nice. We'll be able to talk about the trades, everything like that today. Momentum indicator. No indicator for momentum. I use Renko bars 10. Those are the top bars that you see. It's a hack to trading. Join the community because I'm having a training at 11:30. So you jump in, you'll be able to be in that training. Click the founders group. Everybody else on YouTube, thank you for coming to hang out with me today, to vibe up with your boy. We love it. tonight, Traders Hangout. We're going to start between 9:30 and 10 tonight because I gotta go look at Christmas lights with the family. So I'll keep you guys posted. It'll be scheduled on YouTube for tonight's hangout, which we've been beasting at. Other than that, everyone have a great rest of your day. I will see everybody for the Traders Hangout later tonight. Legacy, I will see you guys at 11:30 for our training. And we're just going to keep it popping, people. Stay safe in the markets and be blessed, people. Have a great rest of your day.
Later on, baby.
All right, guys.